Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to connect mobile device to Bluetooth system in 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander. This is gonna be the same for Mitsubishi Outlanders made from 2013 and all the way up to 2024. To start with this process, you wanna make sure that your vehicle is turned on, also your infotainment system is on. And then whichever device you're using to connect to Bluetooth system on this vehicle, you wanna turn the Bluetooth on. So I did that right now. And then you wanna switch to infotainment system right here, and you wanna select home button. After that, you wanna select settings. And now you have Bluetooth here, and under the Bluetooth you wanna select pair device. And now you wanna select next, and now you have this information here. So unit name, it's Mitsubishi Motors Bluetooth. Now you wanna switch to your mobile device and find Mitsubishi Motors, and when you see that, you wanna select it, and now it's pairing. And now you got this passkey right here, and you want to make sure that this passkey matches the passkey on the infotainment screen. If it matches, you want to select pair. And there you go. This mobile device is now registered to Bluetooth system into this vehicle, and you can use it for audio and calls. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Bye.